Hey guys, I'm back with another video. My name is Brianna and I'm super excited to get into today's video. So I thought it would be super duper fun to recreate Billie Eilish's makeup routine. It's really just her quick makeup and lip routine. So that's what I'm going to show you guys. I'm gonna start with a little bit of light foundation. It's kind of been going viral on social media. I have similar products. I don't have the exact same ones. And I just thought it would be fun to do with you guys. I love Billie Eilish. Her music is amazing. Her music is everything, obviously. But what was it? I was listening to Bittersweet the other night. I love the vocals in that. And the ending, like the beat at the end. Oh my goodness. Blew my mind. Blew everybody else's mind. So I'm gonna start with a little bit of basic makeup. And then I'm gonna get into how she does her eyes. And how she does, oh my gosh, it's on my lips. And how she does her eyes and her lips. There was like a bunch of Q-tips she was using in her video, so I need to grab Q-tips really quick. Got my Q-tips. So guys, if you enjoy these types of videos, please go ahead and subscribe and like this video. Would love you forever. I have my base makeup on now and we can get going. So let's start with the eyes. Like I said, I started with a base, a little foundation. She doesn't do that. She washes her face and she applies like moisturizer on. Those are her real first steps. But I needed a little bit of foundation. Billie doesn't need a little foundation. Now we're gonna go to the eyes. I wish I had brown. I have black. So I'm gonna use what I have. I'm thinking about going over it with brown and seeing how that goes. Okay, and then she goes underneath. Put it on the top too a little bit. I never go up here. I need a little bit of help. I'm gonna use one of my like makeup things. She just keeps it stuck in this little corner. Little Q-tip. There we go. I think we're doing something. Let me just put a little bit more. Okay. So I'm using this Huda Beauty pencil, but she looks like she's using like a real brown pencil, like with a whole like #2 sharpened like top to it. She also goes in here, so I'm gonna do that, and then she just kind of goes over it and over it a few more times to get it sharper. I just need to clean up a little bit. I feel like I have bleached eyebrows. I do not like looking at my eyebrows right now. So now we're gonna go ahead and do the brown. So since I'm gonna be putting on brown eyeshadow, I'm gonna use my little thingies that I have to help me with my eye makeup. And I put them on different every time, so don't come at me. This is the Reloaded Urban Decay Naked. And I'm going to be using Endgame. So I'm just gonna hit all the places that I had my black eye pencil at. This one's almost perfect. I don't really want to touch it. Ooh. I love. Okay. So we're done with the eyes. Okay. And the next thing she does after her eyes, she does a little bit of concealer and a little bit of powder. And then she'll do her faux freckles. A bit of powder. Little bit of powder. So you add a little bit of powder. And then you add your faux freckles. So I usually use a different faux freckle pen, but hers looks so super light. And this is like the lighter freckle pen that I have. So we're gonna do some freckles. I like to put my little freckle pen on my finger and then dab it right in. So I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I'm going to do my eyebrows. She does the eyebrows last, but I honestly can't keep looking at them like this. She really kind of goes for like that brushed up look. So if you have long eyebrow hair, I would use that to your advantage. Just gonna lightly go in on them. Her eyebrows don't even really look that defined, but she did put brown in her eyebrows. Yeah, she put some brown applicator on her eyebrows and then she brushed them up. I'm just trying to show you I have eyebrows. Oh. Okay. I feel better. I have eyebrows. Lastly, let's do the lips. I'm going to be using my lip stain lip liner Stay in color Pink 03. I love this stuff. I love this stuff. So good. This stuff literally dries so fast. I re-looked at her video. She does her eyes, the freckles, her eyebrow, then she does a blush, and then her lips. So she does a little bit of blush. I'm gonna use like a smaller brush like she was using. She does blush, and then a little bit of highlighter above it. And she does it like in the middle. I don't have highlighter, so I'm going to be using my Morphe eyeshadow Champagne Excess. She just puts a little bit of this stuff. So she'll take that off, and then she goes back with a different lip pencil. Oh man, that's beautiful. What do we think? Wait a minute. 1 second. But what do we think, guys? I actually really like it. This is not something I would do or go about, except the lips. The lips, perfect. This is my finished Billie Eilish makeup look. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.